Jennii. How are you today?
Hello, Mr. P. I am fine. How are you?
I am fine too, thank you. Today, we will talk about hobbies and free time.
Hobbies? What is hobbies?
Good question, Jennii. A hobby is something you like to do in your free time.
Oh, something I like to do.
Yes, exactly. Hobbies are fun activities. They make you happy.
I see. Can you give me some examples?
Sure. Some hobbies are reading, drawing, playing football, and listening to music.
Reading, drawing, playing football, listening to music.
Very good, Jennii. Let's repeat together. Reading, drawing, playing football, listening to music.
Reading, drawing, playing football, listening to music.
Excellent. Now, let's talk about reading. Reading is looking at books and understanding the words.
I like reading. I read books every day.
That is great. What do you like to read, Jennii?
I like to read storybooks.
Wonderful. Storybooks are fun. They have stories about animals, people, and adventures.
Stories about animals, people, adventures.
Yes, let's repeat. Stories about animals, people, adventures.
Stories about animals, people, adventures.
Now, let's talk about drawing. Drawing is making pictures with pens or pencils.
I like drawing too. I draw flowers and trees.
Very good, Jennii. Flowers and trees are nice to draw.
Flowers and trees.
Let's repeat. Flowers and trees.
Flowers and trees.
Next, let's talk about sports. Sports are physical activities. They make your body strong.
I like playing football. I play football on weekends.
That is excellent. Football is a team sport. You play with friends.
Play with friends. Football is fun.
Yes, football is fun. Let's repeat. Football is fun.
Football is fun.
Another hobby is listening to music. Music is sound with rhythm. It is pleasant to hear.
I love music. I listen to music every day.
Very good. What kind of music do you like, Jennii?
I like pop music. It is happy music.
Wonderful. Pop music is cheerful. It makes you feel happy.
Pop music is happy music.
Let's repeat. Pop music is happy music.
Pop music is happy music.
Now, let's practice a small conversation about hobbies. I ask and you answer, okay?
Okay, Mr. P.
Jennii, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books.
Very good. I like reading too.
Me too.
What about drawing? Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing flowers.
Excellent. Do you like playing sports?
Yes, I play football on Saturday.
Great. Sports are healthy. Do you like music?
Yes, I like pop music.
Wonderful. Music is relaxing. Now, let's learn some more hobbies. Some people like swimming. Swimming is moving in water.
Swimming? I like swimming too. I swim in summer.
Good. Swimming is good exercise.
Good exercise. I swim fast.
Let's repeat. Good exercise.
Good exercise. I swim fast.
Some people like dancing. Dancing is moving your body with music.
I like dancing too. I dance in my room.
That's fun. Dancing is happy activity.
Dancing is happy activity.
Repeat after me. Dancing is happy activity.
Dancing is happy activity.
Some people like gardening. Gardening is planting flowers and vegetables.
Gardening? I like flowers. I want to plant flowers.
That is very good, Jennii. Flowers are beautiful.
Flowers are beautiful.
Let's repeat. Flowers are beautiful.
Flowers are beautiful.
Some people like cooking. Cooking is making food.
I like cooking cookies. I cook with my mother.
Very good. Cooking is creative. You can make many kinds of food.
Make many kinds of food.
Repeat. Make many kinds of food.
Make many kinds of food.
Now, Jennii, let's talk about free time. Free time is the time you are not busy.
Oh, free time is the time I can play, read, or do hobbies.
Exactly. Free time is important. You can relax and enjoy hobbies.
Relax and enjoy hobbies.
Let's repeat. Relax and enjoy hobbies.
Relax and enjoy hobbies.
Now, let's practice asking questions about hobbies. I ask and you answer.
Okay, Mr. P.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is reading.
Very good. What hobby do you do every day?
I read books every day.
Excellent. What hobby do you do on weekends?
I play football on weekends.
Great answer. What hobby makes you happy?
Listening to music makes me happy.
Wonderful. Now, let's learn some sentences to talk about hobbies. Repeat after me.
Okay,
I like reading books.
I like reading books.
I like drawing pictures.
I like drawing pictures.
I like playing football.
I like playing football.
I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
I like swimming.
I like swimming.
I like dancing.
I like dancing.
I like gardening.
I like gardening.
I like cooking.
I like cooking.
Very good, Jennii. You are doing excellent. Now, Jennii, let's talk about questions with do you like?
Okay.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing.
Do you like football?
Yes, I like football.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I like gardening.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Perfect! Now, Jennii, let's review all hobbies we learned today.
Okay, Mr. P. We learned reading, drawing, playing football, listening to music, swimming, dancing, gardening, and cooking.
Excellent! Now, let's repeat again slowly. Reading, drawing, playing football, listening to music, swimming, dancing, gardening, and cooking.
Reading, drawing, playing football, listening to music, swimming, dancing, gardening, and cooking.
Very good, Jennii. You did a wonderful job.
Thank you, Mr. P. I like learning about hobbies.
I am happy, Jennii. Remember, hobbies make you happy in your free time. Always enjoy your hobbies.
I will, Mr. P. I like my hobbies.
That's great. Today we learned many hobbies and talked about free time. We practiced words, sentences, and questions.
Yes, Mr. P. I remember. Hobbies are fun. Free time is for hobbies.
Perfect, Jennii. Keep practicing every day. Read, draw, play sports, listen to music, dance, swim, garden, and cook. Enjoy your free time.
Yes, Mr. P. I will practice every day. I will enjoy my free time.
Well done, Jennii. That is the end of today's lesson. See you next time.
See you next time, Mr. P. Thank you.